kids.
Alright, happy birthday, ma. Thank you for everything, ma. Thank you for being there with us always. The wisdom, always. Thank you guys and guidance. And thank you, ma, for being with us through thick and strong. And also, I pray for your health. I pray for something, mama. You will enjoy your retirement.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Yay! Happy birthday, Mama La! Hi! Alright. Say something to Mama La, Kuya Kila. After her birthday.
Thank you, Mama La, that you're always there for me when I'm around with you. Thank you that you can always protect me when we are on our adventures. We love you, Mama La. Thank you that you give us. You're always prepared to give us when we visit Amityville. Thank you that you can cook us such a wonderful food that you cook, and the fruits and vegetables and snacks and juices you give to us. Thank you that you always have something to give us every time we're with you. Thank you.
Alright. Okay. Boo, say something. Say. Okay. Ikaw muna, Dada.
Hi!
Say hi, Boo!
Okay. Ako na. Ma, happy birthday, Ma. Thank you, Kaaya, for everything. This year has been Why? This year has been... Why? You know? This year has been such a challenging year for the family. Okay, another one, Dada. Just include that, I guess. Okay. And we wish you all the great things, the best things in life because you deserve it. You give so much of yourself to the family. You love the Apos very much, and that is something that we really appreciate. Thank you so much, Ma, for everything. Diyan ako i-detail tanan kay Murag. Kung taas kayo ni, dili naman ko man na video kaya mga bata yun. So, thank you for everything, Mama La. We love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Ma, happy birthday, more birthdays to come. Thank you sa mga spaghetti nga ginaluto nimo, and I wish you a long, long, long life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma. Happy 58th birthday. 58th birthday. So, as you're turning, ay, dili, 58, dili. 48. 48.
Huh? 58? Kapit naman siya ng 60.
Ay, oh, tama. 58, tama. 58. 58th birthday. So, as you grow old, so, appreciate na nimo na kailangan na ka mag-travel and have fun. Always take care of yourself. Ayaw nga pabuyag sa mga pagkaon and be healthy always. Kamu doon ni Daddy.
Yes.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma. Enjoy your day.
Happy 58th birthday, ma. Gusto ko ngayon salamat sa tanan ng mga sakripisyo o pagkantos na gratag sa mga. Salamat sa pag-provide sa mga sa aming lagsuon, sa mga gusto na mo o sa pagkuman sa mga sa pag-eskwela. Kabalo ko na times na lisod ka sa mga or stricto, pero as soon as we grow older, kaya naman na-realize na naging stricto ka sa mga kay gusto lang mo na i-protect me. Kabalo ko na ang imong love nimo para sa mga is dili jud measurable. Ever since katong bata pa mi na talagaan na jud nimo jud with all your heart. Wish lang ako para birthday sa mga is more blessings, good health sa nimo, and especially po kami mag-igsoon, we hope for the best in life para sa mga. So once again, happy 58th birthday, ma.
Hello, ma. Happy 58th birthday di ay. Salamat kay nag-provide ka sa kuha, sa akong mga needs, especially sa school. Salamat kayo sa pag-suportan mo sa kuha. Salamat po kay naakadra perme na ako'y mga problema duulan jud ka, ikaw jud akong perme duulan kung na ako'y mga problema. Salamat kay naakadra masking naglisod ka, masking nakay mga problema pod, masking dalang kag sakit, never jud ka nagkulang sa kuha. Salamat kay ma. Happy 58th birthday. Wishing na ako si mo kay good health and prosperity. Mo lang to. Happy 58th birthday day ma. I love you so much.
Hi Mama, happy 58th birthday. Dili na ako ma-express how grateful I am na you are my wife. How you love us, being an incredible partner and mother to our 4 children. You are always supportive, always there for us through thick and thin. Thank you, Mamang, for being a wonderful mother to our children. And as a mamala, to our apos, no? Si Caleb and si RC. And ang imong dedication and care and love is so super mom. Especially sa imong mga luto o cooking, no? Basta ikaw nang gani magluto man, nami ito kayo. Ang kuwana na, ang proof na, no? Enjoy kaya itong mga family. O makabalot pa dyan sila pag ulo nila. Diba? And so, may this birthday, mo man, be filled with all the love and happiness na you deserve. Daghang pata gusto buhaton, di ba? Especially mag-travel and we retire and to serve God. So, I know our God is always blessing and granting you the desires of your heart. And we love you always, Mama. I'm so glad na we are celebrating your 50th birthday. And happy birthday. And I love you so much. Mwah! Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Ate Dinjay, happy birthday. Sana sa 58 years mo na, sana mawala na yung mga sakit. At sana magtagal pa tayo dito sa bahay. Naiiyak na ako. Salamat Ate Dinjay. Pag-unawa mo sa akin lagi kahit lit ko. Naiiyak ko te. Kahit lit na kung anong oras te, okay pa rin ka sa akin. Maraming nagsasabi sa akin, lit ka na. Sagot, sige lang, basta makapasok lang to. Okay lang naman si Ate Dinjay sa akin, kakaintindi man siya sa akin. Maraming salamat te. Happy birthday. Sige lang, iyak ko te. Happy birthday, sige. God bless.
Hello Ate Jing, happiest birthday. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. Since nakailat ang mundo ni Kuya Jimmy, always gid mo nag-inspire sa ko a model couple sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, kasakit na nagkalipay, na amo perme ni Kuya Jimmy. Salamat Ate Jing always sa words of wisdom. I really praise and thank God na naging part mo sa akong life ni Kuya Jimmy. Wala naman ko mama, pero naaka Ate Jing, a mother figure to me. Happy birthday! I love you always Ate Jing. More birthdays to come and good health always. Mwah.
Hello, Ate Jing. May God bless you abundantly today and always, and may His light shine upon you forever. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Jing. We wish you a happy birthday and may you have many more birthdays to come, and we wish you good health and more blessings to come.
Hi Ate Jing, happy birthday! I wish you more happiness in life and good health always and more apples.
And once again, happy birthday,
Ate Jing! Take care! Hi Kuya Jim!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jean! Thank you for everything you do for our team. Your guidance, support, and leadership are truly appreciated, Ma'am.
Wishing you a year of great health and good beauty.
May you continue to inspire those around you with your kindness and wisdom. Cheers for many more birthdays in the years to come, Ma'am Jean. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jean. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come.
Hello, Ate Jing. We wish you a day filled of happiness and love as you celebrate this wonderful milestone. We hope that you look forward to many memories and experiences to come. God bless and happy 50th birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Jing. I love you.
Happy birthday, Jing! Happy birthday, Jing. Wishing you good health, more birthdays to come, and God bless you always.
Jing, you are so nice and a good friend, I think. Wishing you a happy birthday, more birthdays to come. Stay sweet to Sir Jim. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Jing! Thank you for accepting me as your family friend. Stay beautiful, good health, and happy birthday. God bless.
Hi Jing, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and padayon sa pag-uswag. Happy birthday.
Padayon sa pag-uswag, ha?
Hello, ako to boy. Sorry, ako to naman. Kaya ba naidit pa?
Hi Ma'am Jing, happy birthday! As you celebrate your 58th birthday, I pray that the Lord God will continue to shower you with His blessings and protection. Thank you kaayo sa tanang support nga imong gihatag sa ako sa imong prayers and wisdom nga gi-share when I needed it the most. Ma'am Jing, I want you to know na happy kaayo ko to have found a sister and a friend in you. Ma'am Jing, rest assured that tanan nimong teachings and wisdom nga imong gi-share sa ako jud nang timan-an as I navigate the world of public service. Salamat kaayo sa kanunay. And lastly, I wish that the good Lord grant the desires of your heart. Happy 58th birthday, Ma'am Jing. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Ma'am Jing. Live, love more. God bless you.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.